Guys, I crashed my drone and it was the first time I let the track head from DJI follow me, and the electricity line was just in the way, and so the drone literally crashed into the electricity line and yeah, broke almost into half. And that on my birthday. So broken, so broken.
You take pictures for friends?
Yeah guys, so I'm just repairing the arm of this drone, my drone, the Spark. And I'm here with Mustafa from Cappadocia.
Hello.
He has provided me all the tools and also the fix, the glue. And so now it looks really good actually. And this one goes... Huh?
You have problems?
I always have problems. Can you help?
Yeah.
Yes? Come sit with us. Come.
I have this.
Spark.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Chin. It's also French.
Come. Yes.
You excuse for video?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber. And he's my photographer here in Cappadocia. And what's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Sophia.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What's up guys? So now the moment of truth comes, whether my broken drone yesterday that I fixed is working or not. And we're testing this now. I'm here on the roof of the Cave Hotel, and my friend Sophia that also joined yesterday. Hello.
Hello everyone.
She's also watching whether this works. If not, because she brought already another drone that she can borrow me for some drone shots. She is like the angel from Cappadocia for me. Almost. Let's open the app. Okay, weak Wi-Fi as always. Ready to go? No. Not ready. Yes, ready to go. Careful.
Wow.
It's a bit shaky, but it works. It works. It works.
Are you happy?
Prepared and ready to roll.